How to zoom in InShot. Now, in order to zoom your edits, photos, or videos in InShot, it is really easy. You just simply need to go to the edit that you want to zoom. In my case, I have already created this draft, so I will open this. If you don't have one, you can create a new one which you would like to zoom and edit. Now I have this clip which I have imported. Just simply import your clip if you don't have any. Then after importing that, to zoom, it is just very basic. You need to put two of your finger into your screen and then just like zooming in or out any pictures into your gallery and stuff like that. You can easily do that in here to zoom your clips into InShot. You can do this even if it is a photo or video. It will be applicable to every single clip that you add in order to edit. Now this is how you do it. You can zoom in and out anytime you want very easily like this. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to hit that